DDL is one of the most romantic movies of Bollywood. It's SRK and Kajol, and they really look good with each other in this particular movie. And there are also a lot of hilarious scenes as well, especially her aunt, her Bua, and Shiv Puri. And even the way she was addressed, like SRK's dad was Anupam Kher. He himself was a very funny character. The movie basically revolves around these two lovers who met at an Euro rail and wanted to tie the knot, but because of the opposition from family, especially dad, Amrish Puri, they had a tough time, especially actually winning over him. So he came down from UK, Shah Rukh, to Punjab and actually made an effort to win over. Finally, he was able to win over, but when the truth was unearthed, a lot of problems arose. But in the meantime, Satish Shah was the hubby of you can say she was kind of very healthy woman. She used to be addressed like Pehelwan. That was why I found it very hilarious. And even Shiv Puri, Mrs. Shiv Puri, who was supposedly unmarried Bua of Kajol, Simran, she started flirting with Anupam Kher. And there's a scene where she's having carrots, and when he comes across the plate where she's carrying the flowers, it falls on the ground, and then they start flirting with each other. He says basically, I am from UK, otherwise I am from Bhatinda. So a lot of scenes are there when she's choosing Saudi and all. So basically this movie you can watch over and over again. Songs are also awesome. It's been shot mostly in UK. I'll mostly give 5 stars to the movies. And one best thing what SRK said in the last episode, he said that he was actually justifying his actions. Whatever he did, it was because he wanted to win over the family for Kajol, for Simran, Raj. And then he said, love is not, do you think love is not everything? The way he said, like he meant to say that love is everything, in spite of him being not very highly educated or whatever. If you find a partner who loves you unconditionally, it will win over everything. So it teaches a very, grave lesson that love wins over everything. But yeah, wealth is also necessary, but they were well placed. So later on, Amrish Puri, the last scene is the most melodramatic. He says, go Simran, go, he is the one for you, and nobody can love you more than him. And the movie ends. It's 5 stars.